Hello, my name is Linda Grubbs, and I am the Diversity and Inclusion Consultant for the Modern Elder Academy. I am so excited to tell you about the inaugural Black Modern Elder Week, telling our stories, claiming our power, celebrating our spirit, which takes place from October 9th through 16th in lovely Baja, Mexico, just north of Cabo San Lucas. This week is all about recognizing our distinctive wisdom from a Black perspective. This workshop is for people of African descent seeking an immersive and transformative experience within a beloved community of kindred spirits. Please share this information and tag your friends and colleagues on social media. The application deadline is September the 1st. And for Black MEA alums, come on back, learn, grow, rejuvenate, and relax with us. I really hope I see you there.